Welcome to JMD Janitorial's floor stripping and refinishing training. Together, we'll learn professional techniques that transform worn floors. Every successful floor project begins with preparation. Start by clearing the room and creating a safe, organized workspace before any work begins. Remove furniture carefully and inspect the floor for obstacles, damaged tiles, or loose debris that could interfere with the restoration process. Before handling chemicals or equipment, put on the proper personal protective equipment and place wet floor signs to secure the entire work area. Gather all equipment before starting the project. This includes your floor machine, black stripping pad, mop buckets, wet vacuum, doodlebug, scraper, clean mops, floor finish, caution signs, and personal protective equipment. Being organized improves efficiency and helps prevent unnecessary interruptions. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended dilution when mixing floor stripper. Never guess the ratio or mix different chemicals together. Using the proper concentration allows the stripper to work effectively while helping protect the floor, equipment, and surrounding surfaces. Apply the stripping solution evenly over a manageable section of the floor, making sure the surface remains consistently wet while avoiding excessive puddles. Allow the solution enough time to loosen the old finish before scrubbing begins. Using smooth, overlapping passes, operate the floor machine with steady control, allowing the machine and stripping pad to do the work. Once the main floor has been scrubbed, use a doodlebug or scraper to remove finish from edges, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. Recover the slurry immediately with a wet vacuum or clean mop, then thoroughly rinse and neutralize the floor to remove any remaining stripper residue. Finally, inspect the surface carefully for mist finish, residue, or imperfections, and allow the floor to dry completely before moving on to the refinishing process. With the floor clean, neutralized, and completely dry, prepare clean finish mops and fresh floor finish before applying the first coat using smooth, even strokes while maintaining a consistent wet edge. Allow each coat to dry according to the manufacturer's recommendations before applying additional coats, creating a durable, high-gloss protective finish. Continue monitoring the drying process by limiting foot traffic and keeping the area free of dust and debris. Once the final coat has fully cured, inspect the floor from multiple angles to ensure a uniform appearance and professional shine. Clean and store all equipment, carefully return furniture to the room, and complete one final walkthrough before reopening the area. Remember, professional floor care is built on preparation, patience, attention to detail, and consistency. Thank you for watching Professional Floor Stripping and Refinishing Training, powered by JMD Janitorial. Work safely, take pride in your craftsmanship, and strive for excellence on every floor you restore.
Fellow citizens, it's time to take action and subscribe to JMD Janitorial.